Hi, this is Karen with WTI. Did you know that this magic cream from Charlotte Tilbury has hyaluronic acid? So one drop of it can hold up until 1,000 drops of water. And that is amazing if you want to keep your skin hydrated. And that's one of the reasons that I love this magic cream because it's just amazing on my skin. It keeps it moisturized, it keeps it hydrated, and even in my hands, I use it on my hands so it doesn't go really dry. I do have dry skin, so it helps overall with all my skincare. To me, it's a must. It has to be under my makeup, whatever type of makeup that I'm gonna do for the day. I know it's gonna look great because my skin is just radiant, is hydrated, and is ready for the day. And that's my point of view.